I pour this much wine because I swear to God there's a gnat in here and I got distracted while I was pouring and here we are. I mean, it's so much wine. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do about it. Okay, I've talked about this before on my channel. It's one of my go-to wines. This is the slow press Cabernet Sauvignon. This is just always good. It tastes good without food. It tastes good with food. It's a rich, smooth, dark wine. It says here right on the bottle. There's the gnat. Get your rest out of here. Fall is here. Winter is on its way. I'm overly excited, as you know, because those are my favorite times of the year. And what does fall and winter bring on? Aspen cheeks, my friends. This look is centered around skin. This is gorgeous, hydrated, plumped skin, glowing to the gods, also giving you a fierce aspen cheek. The goal is just to have really, really healthy looking skin. So what you want to start out with is exfoliating your face. You want to have a really nice, smooth base so that everything goes on really beautifully and really quickly. If you're new here, I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And also I like to remind you guys that everything I talk about and feature here today is going to be linked down below in the description box. So after, of course, you've cleansed and exfoliated and done your skincare, I like to go in with a really hydrating primer. So I'm going to be using one of my favorite products currently, which is the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. Guys, this is so good. I've been using it at night just as skincare, and I've also been using it underneath my makeup. This has niacinamide. This has several types of hyaluronic acid in it. It also has other ingredients I can't remember right now. It just gives you this beautiful plumped hydrated base, but it doesn't feel heavy. You want to choose a base that is like your skin, something like the Glossier foundation that's like little to no coverage, MAC face and body. I am going with my go-to no makeup phenomenal foundation, which is the Sneaky Balm from Salt, New York. You can see I have more than hit pan on this. Like, look at that. And I think I've had this for a couple of months. That is how much I'm using this product. So I usually use it with a brush. Today I'm going to be kind of spreading it on my hand and dipping into it with a sponge, just because I have some irritation here and I don't want to be like buffing over it. And what this is doing is just giving your skin a polish, right? You're going in, you're just taking care of any discoloration, maybe any red spots. And now I'm going to go in with my Glossier Stretch Concealer. Again, this is my go-to quick and easy fresh eye. Okay, so now we have our coverage done. I'm gonna go in and do a really quick brow gel. This is my Glossier Boy Brow. I cannot wait to get to the Aspen cheek. I'm like on pins and needs over here. Now I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Lid Star. I'm really just choosing a super easy, quick, cream eyeshadow to just go in with my finger and be done. See how that kind of just nicely evened everything out and took care of any like veins I have in my lids or anything like that. I'm going to use the lightest powder I own, which is from Cate. This is their Air Set powder. And I'm dipping my sponge into that and just going into the areas that I want to set, because again, I want this look to be very natural and dewy. Okay, perfect. So that's the set face. So next I'm going in with my Tower 28 mascara. Mascara is also a star of this look as well, because you really want your lashes to look thick and feathery and luscious. That's really all we're doing with the eye with this. You want to get all up in those nooks and crayons there, get the very outer edges of your lashes. Now I have a lot of options for Aspen cheeks. Okay, I could have pulled many blushes, but this just screams Aspen cheek to me. It is called Chili. I mean, duh. The person who turned me on to this was Michelle Wong. This came out, I think it was last year, and she put this on in a video and my jaw dropped. So this again is the Say Dew blush in the shade Chili. It is a cool berry liquid blush. So that is a swatch right there of Chili. Look at how that went on like butter. I mean, can we get a slow clap? Oh my God. And this blush is so perfect as well, because obviously it's called Dew Blush. So it already gives you that gorgeous glow. And we're going big or going home, guys. I mean, the whole point of this look, well, one of the points of this look is the cheeks. So it is going to be blush-tastic. I don't even have highlighter on, or I don't even have the glow product I'm going to use on yet. Oh My God. I had a hard time choosing the lip. I could have gone with so many things, of course, but I'm choosing my Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat in the shade Hot Cherry because I feel like it just goes with the entire vibe of this. And also this gives me like some of the juiciest lips I can have. Man, I forgot how much this actually does plump my lips because of that heat. I like it. Okay, so now we're gonna go for the extra glow. This is the last glow step. This e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter is really the most natural glow product I think I own. Just so incredible. Look at that. So incredibly natural. I mean, if you saw this on the street, you'd be like, what the hell did that woman do to her face? She is glowing to the gods. I mean, look at how that just sinks into the skin and literally looks like my skin. This product is, it can have its way with me. So see what I mean? I put that highlighter on and my cheeks got kind of tamped down. We can't have that now, can we? So I'm gonna go back in with just a little bit more dew blush, and I'm actually gonna just use my fingers this time. It's right there on the apple of the cheek. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, my lips are plumped as hell. This is the biggest my lips I think have ever looked. I look like a little baby bird. Okay guys, so that is it for this glowing, plumped, hydrated skin with an Aspen cheek. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I know it was super quick and dirty, but it's kind of what I love. Also, I do want to mention that I do have a code with Salt New York. If you want to try that sneaky balm, it is always Cate the Great 10. It'll get you 10% off at checkout on top of whatever other discounts you get on the site, which is awesome. I mean, like, what is even happening? Get out of here. You guys are the best. Please stay safe out there, and cheers till next time. Bye.